The Everising particle circular saw is a fully automatic, high-speed, highly rigid sawing machine with a carbide-tipped blade for mass cutting of round workpieces. The fuzzy graphic interactive control panel makes the setting and operation easy, taking just seconds to set the parameters. Should a matching error arise, the problem is quickly located for immediate repair. An alarm light located at the top of the machine will light up red when the machining has ceased, and green while under maintenance, so the operator can operate several machines simultaneously. The particle circular saw employs a ceramic or carbide-tipped round saw blade, driven by a 2-pole convertible motor and hydraulically driven servo-controlled ball screw feeding mechanism. A steady spray of coolant keeps the cutting temperature down, and a hydraulic vise clamps the workpiece for cutting. The feeding mechanism also includes a floating vise and feeding mechanism in the ball screw to feed preset workpieces. The processed workpiece is automatically separated from the waste using our special sorting chute. The particle circular saw is so powerful and efficient, the time it takes to cut medium carbon steel is in 1/5 of the time it takes for similar machines, which is why the particle circular saw remains the #1 choice for mass cutting. An optional oil mist filter, which has been CE approved, helps to supply a stream of clean air to the work area, improving the working environment. A specially designed system combining the features of a sizer, AC motor, ball screw, floating vise, and sorting chute allow for hydraulic loading, self-positioning, and may also allow for auto-gripping and fast feeding to enhance the entire machining process. Once the workpiece has been cut, it is automatically separated from the machining debris using the sorting chute, which will then allow them to be dropped into separate containers. The carbide blade guides keep the blade moving in the proper direction to provide an accurate cutting motion, improving the life of the blade. The NC servo driver controls the hydraulic motor and ball screw, supplying the machine with a stable, reliable feeding. Because the NC driver is not reliant on the variable presetting of the in-feed and out-feed, it provides for a higher degree of efficiency. The self-positioning blade allows for the most stable feeding. The tooth gap compensation uses a disc brake to eliminate vibration and sliding from gaps in the saw teeth, for an excellent finish and a longer blade life. The powerful transmission driver uses a steady flow of lubricant to save energy and increase efficiency. The Everising particle circular saw, the shortcut to the top.